Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So I am here with an interesting video on Kalika chetarike of class 9. So in this video we are going to study about the first learning outcome, that is I will perform the operations on all these number sets of number system. Okay, so based on this we are going to solve the Kalika chetarike learning sheet number 1. So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. So here you can see the learning sheet number 1 is some situations are given in the following table. Okay, so here the table is given in which some situations are given, daily life situations. Write the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division to be used. Okay, so we have to identify which fundamental operations we are going to choose here and solve them, used to solve them. Okay, we have to solve them and also state the reason. I have also solved here and I have shown you how that fundamental operations work. Okay, so here first daily life situation is given as you can see here. A merchant sells 28,194 books in the first books exhibition. Okay, so he's selling his first in his first exhibition he is selling 28,194 books and 18,894 books in the second books exhibition. So how much books he sold in both the exhibitions? Okay, so we have to find out how much books he has sold out in his both exhibitions. So what we have to do here is we have to do the addition. So after adding these two things you are getting 4 plus 4 is 8 and 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 and 1 will be carried over here. So 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 will be 10. So 0 here and 1 will be carried. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 1 will be 17. So 7 and 1 will be carried. So 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so you have to specify the reason for adding over here. The reason here is because here total books were sold. Okay, so here how many books he sold in both the exhibitions were asked. Okay, so you have to total both the number of books here. Okay. Okay, so you can see the second condition over here. In a school auditorium, 8,400 students were sat in a 28 rows. So in a school auditorium, there were 28 rows in which 8,400 students were sitting. Then how many students were sitting in each row? So what we have to do here is we have to find out in each row how many students were sitting. So what we have to do here is we have to divide it. Okay, because here students are sitting in each row is asked. Okay, so out of 28 rows they are asking us about only one row. How many students were sitting in only one row they are asking. So we have to divide it. Okay, so how we will divide 8,400 divided by 28 we have to do. So basically you can see here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 0 0 will be as it is. Okay, then again 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 and 0 will be as it is. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 and the zeros will be as it is. So you are getting the answer to be as 300. So in each row 300 students were sitting. Okay, next moving to the third one. Priya purchased a big boat for rupees 39 lakh 80,000 for her business. Okay, so she purchased a big boat of 39 lakh rupees and 80,000. Okay, then how much amount she has to pay including 10% of VAT. Okay, so including 10% of tax, how much amount she has to pay. So first for that what we have to identify is how much of tax amount she has to pay we have to identify. So here both multiplication and addition is used. Let me show you how it is. you can see here, this is the amount for which she is purchasing the boat. Okay, that is 39 lakh 80,000. Okay, so 10% tax means 10% is written as multiplied by 10 to the 10 by 100. 10% means it is 10 divided by 100. So if we divide this, 0 0 and 0 0 will be cancelled, and 3980 into 10 will be 3,98,000. Sorry, I missed a zero there. Okay, so when you multiply this, you are getting 3,98,000 rupees. Okay, so these 3,98,000 rupees has to be added with this amount to get the total VAT amount, because what is asked here, how much amount she has to pay including 10% tax. Okay, so 10% tax we are getting 3,98,000 we are getting. Okay, so including 3,98,000 we have to pay, she has to pay this much of amount. Okay, so here you can write, here addition of tax amount is asked. Okay, I hope this is clear here. Then next question, you can see the fourth one. There were 16,746 students in a school. If each student pays rupees 160 for the school day program, find the total amount collected. Okay, so here one person is paying 160 rupees. So there are 16,746 students in a school. So if a single person is paying 160 rupees, then what will be the total amount collected of this many students? So what we have to do here is, we have to do the multiplication. So 16746 into 160, we are getting the answer to be as this much. Okay, and here you can write, total amount is asked which can be obtained by multiplication. Okay, then the last one. In the last year, a farmer got 40,462 coconuts from his farm. If he got 52,384 coconuts in this year, then how much more coconut he got over last year? So in the last year, he got this many of coconut from his farms. Okay, that is 40,462. But this year he is getting 52,384 coconuts. So we have to find out how much more coconuts he got this year. So what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So how to do the subtraction here? This year minus previous year. So 52,384 will be subtracted. Okay, so this 40,462 is subtracted from this part, that is 52,384. So after subtraction we are getting 11,922. So this many coconuts he got extra, more than previous year. So here number of more coconuts than previous year is asked. Okay, or you can even write here, difference between both the year is asked. Difference between this year and the previous year is asked. You can give this reason also. Okay, next, moving to the question number 2, that is 1.2. Answer the question is given. Okay, and here a number is given, that is 2,36,954. Okay, how much? Here a blank is given, and which is equals to 1,32,641 is given. So you have to identify what number is to be placed here. So what number, if you subtract from this number, you are getting this number. So what I have taken here is, you can see 2,36,954 minus x. So in place of this number, let us consider it to be as x, which is equal to this number. So what we will do, we'll take this x to this side. Okay, when it moves to the right side, it becomes positive x, and this number, when it moves to the left side, it becomes negative. Subtract. Okay, so when we subtract this both number, we are going to get 1,04,313. So our x will be equal to 1,04,313. Similarly, the next one, here we have to place x. Okay, so this plus x is equals to, you can see here, this number plus x is equals to 952,778. Okay, so again let us keep this x here itself, because this is positive. Okay, and let us move this number to this side so that it becomes negative. Okay, so here after subtracting these two numbers, you are going to get the final answer to be as 716843, which is to be written here. If you add both the numbers, that is 716843 and 235935, you are going to get this number. Okay, so in the blanks you are going to write these two numbers. Fine. Okay, then write the reason for each step for the following problem. So here a basic multiplication term is given, and below that they have shown step 1, step 2, step 3. So you have to write the reason for the step 1, step 2 and step 3. So first step, basically what we are doing into the multiplication is this number is multiplied by all these numbers. Okay, then we are getting the answer to be this much. Correct? So that is the step 1, that is multiplication of 4103 with 4. Just you can see 4 3s are 12, that is 2 and 1 will be carried over here. Okay, then 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So this is step 1. Next, step 2 will be multiplication of 4103 with 5. Second, this will be the second step. Multiplying this 5 with 4103 will be the second step. That is, for 5 3s are 15, 5 and 1 will be carried. Again, 1 will be carried over here. Okay, 5 zeros are 0 plus 1 will be 1. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Then the last third step will be multiplying 2 with this whole number. That is multiplication of 4103 with 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next question is given as the answer to the division problem is wrong. Find out where it is gone wrong in the given steps and write the reason for the wrong. So what they have told us here is the answer to the division problem which is being given here, the answer to this problem, this answer is completely wrong. We have to find out where it is gone wrong and we have to write the reason for being wrong. So you can see basically they have given here this division problem. We used to write it in this manner, correct? It is divided by 5. If we divide it, what we are going to get is, you can see over here, 5 2s are 10. Okay, we are getting 1 and this 8 will be taken as down. Okay, then 5 3s are 15 we are getting. So we are left with 3 and this 4 will be taken down. Okay, and 5 6 are 30 we are getting. So 4 will be remaining and this 0 will be taken down. So it will be 40. 5 8s are 40. 0 will be remaining and this 0, as we cannot take it down, we are putting it here also. Okay, so exactly the same answer what we got here, but the problem here is this is not at all division problem, because this is fifth root of 118400. This is not the division problem. Instead it is, we have to find out the root 5 of 118400. Okay, so this is the reason why we are not getting the correct answer. Even we are getting the correct answer after division, we are getting the correct answer, but still they have told us that this answer is completely wrong, because here instead of this sign it is given as like this. You can see, which shows this is the root of 118400. Okay, so we can write here the problem is not division. Instead we need to find out fifth root of 118400. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next question you can see, write the reason for each step is given again. Okay, so next question is write the reason for each step. So you can see step 1, what they have done, they have added the unit digits, that is 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. In the second step they have added the 1 plus 4 is equals to 5, and in the third step they have added 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. So that is what you are going to write here. Step 1 is addition of 4 plus 5 is equals to 9, that is unit place. Second step is addition of tens place, and the third step is addition of hundreds place. Next question is given as 2, 3, 0, 7 and 36 are multiplied in a standard form of multiplication. So this is the standard form of multiplication. In the standard process, fill in the blanks with the appropriate numbers. So these boxes were kept empty and we had to fill these blanks with a proper number. Okay, so let us multiply. 6 sevens are 42, 2 is here and 4 will be carried down. Okay, then 6 zeros are 0 plus 4 will be 4, so here 4 will be coming. So again 6 threes are 18, 8 and 1 will be carried over here. Okay, when 1 is carried over here, then you can see 6 twos are 12 plus 1 will be 13, so this is 13. Okay, next 3 sevens are 21, 1 and 2 will be carried. So 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 will be 2. Then 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. Then you have to add this. 2 will be as it is. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 here and 1 will be carried over here. Then you can see 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3 and again 1 will be carried. Here again the 1 will be carried. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. So sorry, this will be 8. Instead of 7, it will be 8. Okay, so the next question you can see here is 7th one. According to the survey, an average of 924 liters of water is consumed every day by each house is Melanahalli. Okay, so in one village there is one day each family is consuming 924 liters of water. So if there are 67 houses in this village, find out how many minimum liters of water need to store every day to supply the entire village of water. So if the entire village needs water, then how much water is to be supplied? So number of houses in the village were 67. Total liter of water consumed every day by each house was 924 liters. So what you have to do is, for total water needed to the entire village, you need to multiply both the things. Okay, so after multiplying both the things, you are getting the answer to be as 61,908 liters of water every day. Okay, so the last one over here is think and write they have given, and here they have given 10,000. So if we are adding 2250 plus something, you have to get 10,000. How you can find out this? You just have to subtract 10,000 minus 2,250. If you do this, you are going to get the answer. 0 minus 0 will be 0. So 0 minus 5 you cannot do it. So you have to consider this to be as 10, which is borrowed from here. Okay. When you borrow thing from here, this will become 10 and this will become 0. Okay, then again from here you are borrowing 1, this will become 10 and this will become 9. Okay, so again from here you are borrowing here it will become 10 and here it will become 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Again 9 minus 2 is 7. So you are getting the answer as 7750. So you will get the answer 7750. So this is how you have to do and follow up all the process of writing this. I hope you can do this. So if you're having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. I'll definitely answer you. So the next learning sheet 2, which is dependent on fraction, will be done into the next video. So till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with the learning sheet number 2, that is fraction. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.